Important conversation. It's a very important day to raise awareness. It's World Cancer Day, and many of us, whether it be our family members, our friends, even here at our TV station, we've been touched by it. One of our dear friends, amazing person, reporter Denise Rosh, is fighting right now her battle with colon cancer. So we want to continue to raise awareness, and joining us to tell us a little bit more about what's being done and what you can do to try to stay on the preventative side of it is Josiah LaRow from the American Cancer Society. Appreciate all the wonderful work that you all do in the community for sure. And also Dr. Russell Gollard. He is medical director at OptumCare Center and OptumCare Cancer Care, to talk about some preventative ways to stay cancer free. And you guys also have a new center that's up and running.
We sure do.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a beautiful 55,000 square foot center, $22 million investment. We've opened up the first phase, which involves medical oncology, surgical oncology, genetics counseling, and a large infusion center. When we'll have a second phase opening up where we'll expand our breast care center. We'll also have more in terms of imaging on site, so we're all really excited.
I'm sure. And anything we can do to help in the fight and have the resources that we need to fight this, we're always excited about that. So, you know, when you look at the statistics, it can be a little bit disconcerting. In 2019, there's an estimated 1,762,000 people, new cancer cases. Many of those won't survive that battle, but we have some success stories about those who do, and it's because of the work through organizations like American Cancer Society, right, Josiah?
Yeah, well, we work very hard to work in the community to bring attention to preventative care, prevention, healthy eating, active lifestyle, getting those screenings.
That's important. Yes,
huge for screenings, and
even if you don't have a family history, sometimes
exactly.
If you fall in that age range, good idea to get it done.
Exactly.
Right?
You know, following the age range, within the American Cancer Society guidelines, but also knowing your body when you don't feel right. You know, go to your doctor, ask questions, get checked out.
I'm so glad you said that, Josiah, because a lot of times it's just listening to your body and being in tune with your body, because obviously your doctors are wonderful resources, but they're not with you 24/7. So sometimes you have to know what the issue is so you can go to them and get the care that you need. And speaking of which, let's talk about some of those ways that we can be on the preventative side. I know I try to eat a lot of foods that are high in antioxidants, you know, good cancer fighting foods. What are some of the other things that we can do?
Well, I think that what an individual can do is to avoid tobacco products, smoking, secondhand smoke, avoid excessive alcohol consumption, maintaining that active lifestyle, not putting on excessive weight, and then really just listening to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't ignore it. You know, we oftentimes see people that for a year or 2 years have said, we just didn't want to bother. I thought I had a long episode of the flu, or I was depressed. But see your physician. You know, get a regular checkup. Don't
ignore the symptoms or signs. That's really important. Before we wrap up, Josiah, I want to talk about some of your upcoming events.
Yes, we have a great event this weekend, Construction versus Cancer. It's in support of childhood cancer research and just helping get the community out. It's going to be this Saturday at the Silverton from 10 to 1.
Excellent. So we definitely want you to be a part of it. Help out in the fight, and also, you know, just let's all be part of the solution too. And there's a lot that we can do personally to make that happen. So, Dr. Josiah, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you being with us. And stay with us. We'll be back on the other side of the break.